Good morning, everyone.
Today we have a very exciting day planned. We have partnered with Hoi An Cooking School and we're going to learn how to make some classic Vietnamese cuisine. We are super excited, so let's get cooking.
Okay, so we're just on our way to the meeting point and we're walking across the bridge, and the street that was completely covered by water yesterday is now showing. So the water is obviously receding, which is really good because I know a lot of this area was affected by the floods that happened, so it's good to see.
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you.
What's your name, sorry?
Anna.
Anna?
Yeah, I'm from Vietnam.
So we just met our amazing tour guide, Anna, who's going to be taking us around this morning. It looks like we're just waiting for a couple people. Luckily, Graham and I like to show up 10 minutes early because he misread the text message and he thought we were meeting at 8:30, but we were actually meeting at 8:20, which means we were just barely on time.
We got here in time though, didn't we? So really, no issue. I guess maybe I should read texts a little bit more in depth than I usually do.
But I am very, very excited for this tour, and I hope there's coffee.
The first one, I will take you go to the local market. At the local market, I will introduce some vegetables, some ingredients used for cooking for today.
Got some of the first ingredients. Looks like we got some bean sprouts, some cabbage, and a cucumber. I'm so excited. Okay, so we just learned about all the different noodles, spices, oils, sauces, things like that we were going to use. So we're going to use the pho noodle and then some different like mushroom powder and things like that. So it's going to be really good.
The market is so busy, and Anna was saying that's because everyone wants to come as early as possible so that they get the freshest fruit, freshest veggies, and freshest meat. It's very fitting that the fish market is literally right on the river. The views are gorgeous.
The quail in your country, how much is this? Expensive. In here, you know, $1 you can buy 30 quail.
Wow.
30 for $1.
Okay, so we just finished at the market. We got all of our ingredients. She was awesome. She told us what was traditional, compare prices to what we would pay with them at home. But now we have a very exciting next stop. We are taking some coconut boats.
This is definitely the coolest entrance to a restaurant I've ever seen.
Okay, honestly, I had no idea what to expect with this tour. Did not know that the boats would literally take off right from the restaurant. We have about 35 minutes that we're gonna be on the water. Maybe we'll do some spinning. I don't know, it's gonna be a fun time. All right, we've got the traditional hats, and I was wrong, they're not coconut boats, they are bamboo basket boats because they are made from bamboo. And these are their traditional hats to protect them from the sun, from the rain, all of that stuff. And it's really cool.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
You make it look easy.
You're a master.
Not bad, Graham.
We're going.
We're going slowly.
Yeah, show me down. Come on. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
This experience is just so fun. Our guide, he's taking us along. He is awesome. I tried paddling, Graham tried paddling. We're not nearly as efficient as he is. I can hear the music kind of blasting further down. It was like tranquil, and now it's getting more into like the heavy music, everyone's spinning. It's just so fun. Everyone's having such a good time. There is so many people on this river right now. what I was expecting, but this is not. It is a literal party on the water right now. He said that that was a coconut. That's so spiky. It's not what I pictured it would be like. Or that I've seen before.
Okay.
Good.
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, we finished our boat tour and now we are heading to our cooking class. The boat tour is so cool. It was so fun, like seeing like the calm river and then get a little bit more exciting with some music and some spinning, and then to close it off all calm like that was really nice. So that was very fun, but I'm excited to get cooking. Okay, we're getting all of our veggies prepped. So first, we're cutting our carrots. A little thick. Okay, so we forgot to tell you, our first dish is the steamed rice paper roll. So we've cut our carrots and we've cut our onions, and I think the next is our garlic and our shallots, I believe, and chili peppers. So we're gonna cut those next. Okay, so we made our dipping sauce. It had sugar, water, lime, fish oil, garlic, and chili.
Okay.
It's cool. It's the first time we've ever just cooked with chopsticks. Usually you're allowed to use like a spatula or like a tongs or flippers or something like that. This is cool.
Keep rolling like this, and when you finish it, put in the middle like this. Put the fish sauce on the top, fried shallot put on the top with us, and then cut it. And this one,
That's unreal. Like honestly one of the best I've had. Maybe that's because it was homemade and I put effort into it and I put love into it so it tastes better, but that's fantastic. Okay, now that she's done a demonstration of how to actually make the fresh roll, we're gonna do it ourselves, so we're gonna see if it looks just as nice. Probably not.
1, 2, 3, slow down like this, turn over. Great job.
There we go, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now that we are done our rolls, we are moving on to the next dish, which is our crispy pancakes.
So the main meat that you put in it is shrimp and pork. I've opted to just do pork because shrimp isn't my favorite, and then I can still enjoy the dish. So I'm really glad that they were accommodating with that. But it seems like they're very accommodating with any dietary kind of restrictions, which is awesome. And they do have like a little cafe here too, so we went ahead and we ordered some milk coffee because I definitely need it. I've only had 1 cup today and it'll just add to the experience.
First one, you have me put 1 tablespoon of oil. 1 tablespoon of oil, and then you move around the pan like this. Normally you have me put 2 shrimp and 2 pot, 2 shrimp one side and 2 pot one side. Have me plate. You have me mix the rice meal with the rice meal. This is we make from that one, and I put a little bit turmeric powder and some fried spring onion. And now you have me pour this. You have me keep moving around like this for the liquid it run out. We need the oil under the cake for it make the crispy. The cake it's not burning too. When it no have the oil under this, it will burning. Only one side, the pot side and shrimp side is okay. And then perfect. Use your nail for make hole first, and then put in the middle.
Our turn? She made that look so easy. Give it a try.
Graham beat me on making or steaming the rice paper, but I think I won on this part.
Oh,
Come on, honey.
this is gonna be all shell.
Smashed it.
I just crushed it. Help! Help!
Okay.
Okay.
Now, what?
Whoop! A little bit of shell, a little extra crunch.
On the rice paper. Yes, right. Open. And after that, you have me put cucumber on the top. This one is the lettuce on the top too. And this is the spicy mustard. Put in here.
Okay, we've got our rice pancake roll here. Dip some in that sauce. It's fresh, it's crunchy.
Okay,
really
I will give
good.
for you that.
Okay, yesterday when we were having lunch, Robin and I also ate that same fried rice pancake dish that we just had
At the food
at
market.
the food market. But I had no idea how to eat it, so I followed what other tourists were doing. I just picked it up as a little triangle, dipped it in the sauce and ate it. But now we've learned that you put it on the rice paper that we got. That we were very confused at the market why we got it.
I had no
Put it on the
idea.
rice paper, open it up, put your cucumber, your lettuce, and your spicy
mustard.
lettuce. Anyways, you put that all in it, and then you wrap it in the rice paper, and then you dip it in the sauce. Makes so much sense. And
It does.
So much better that way.
Now we won't look like fools if we eat it again before we leave. But now you
Exactly.
know.
We'll go to the market and we'll act like we know what we're doing.
So right now we're preparing our main dish, which is the pho, a beef pho. And Anna is preparing it for us, which is really nice. But they had a vegetable stock broth that they were brewing, and that's going to be the broth of the soup. Then we have noodles and all the toppings. So it's really interesting. They actually put the beef really thinly sliced raw on top of the noodles, and then when they pour the broth, the super hot broth, over the beef in the bowl, it cooks it to medium rare. So you don't actually like pre-cook the meat. It's just cooked by the boiling hot broth that's poured on top of it. Really cool. We've learned some really interesting cooking techniques from this whole experience.
Let's know the fresh one.
Okay, it's finally ready.
Okay,
We have Thai basil, cilantro, or Chinese coriander, and then we have pepper. We opted for the less spicy one, and then we have green onions, tops that are chopped up, and then the bottoms, the white parts that were like cooked in the broth. So spring onions, and then obviously the noodles, the beef, the broth, all of that. So it smells amazing. You put a little bit of the fish oil in, and then it's good to go. The flavors are so delicious. I'm getting so full, but I'm definitely gonna eat all of this. Anna right now is currently cooking us dessert while we finish our pho, so we're gonna have that after.
Okay, we've moved on to our last course. We are on to dessert. So what we have here is a mung bean soup with coconut milk and peanuts. And it's served cold, so there's chunks of ice in here as well. Oh yeah, and there's sugar and the tapioca, right?
Yeah.
Give it a try. Yum. That was not what I was expecting at all. That's delicious. It's like, you get like a hint of the peanut and a hint of the coconut, but then you get like the texture of a mung bean, which is like basically like almost a lentil. That's fantastic.
And just like that, the cooking class is over. That was so much fun. I just can't get over this place. It is so picturesque, so beautiful.
And this bridge is absolutely incredible. Like, it's just like a big old dragon. It's so wild.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
All right, so the shuttle just dropped us off right where we got picked up this morning. So we're about 10 minutes away from our hotel. So we will update you then.
Okay, we have made it back to our hotel. That was incredible.
What an amazing experience. It was such a nice way to start our day.
Yeah, that we literally couldn't have asked for anything more. We got the full market tour, we got the full bamboo basket boat
Experience.
tour, and we got the cooking class.
It was just great. And honestly, all of the people that we met today were so nice. Like Anna, our main guide, she was so lovely. I can't say enough good things about her. I think she made the experience like a million times better. It's so
For
good
sure.
when you have good people. And even the local who was taking us out on the boat, he was so much fun. He was making sure we were having a good time.
Yeah.
There was little, like, I did not expect there to be like karaoke on the water or
No,
like
not at all.
there's separate boats that you have to pay extra for if you want like them to really spin you, but like our guide just spun us like just because. So it was a fantastic day and the food was incredible.
Like some of the best food we've had on our trip, and we had a hand in making it.
And I really like that we started with the market and we actually bought most of the ingredients that we then used to cook with to kind of give you a perspective of where exactly your food is coming from.
Yeah.
So I just found that was really special too.
Yeah, to be able to help support some like the locals here in Hoi An.
Also, even just to see how like locals on the day-to-day, like that's how they get their groceries. They go really early to the market because that's when you get the most fresh items. So it was just a really cool experience, and we can't thank Hoi An Cooking School enough for allowing us to join them on this excursion. We will put all of their links in our description below so that if you are in the area, I would definitely check them
Yes,
out.
you will not be disappointed. And if you get Anna as a guide,
You are lucky.
you are one lucky person. So.
But I think this is where we're going to end this video. It is our last day here in Hoi An, and we do have more that we're going out to see today, but I think the cooking class just kind of deserves something on
Sure
their
does.
own, or else this would be such a long video. So we do hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye! It had to happen at least once. The crab is lost in our boat.